Guys, welcome back to my PL tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about providing a role to the user that we created. So this time, let's log in as a sys user, sysdba, then enter the password that you entered while installing Oracle database. So this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna provide DB and resource role to the Oracle test user that we created. So for that, type grant a resource comma DBA to Oracle test. So grant succeeded. That means Oracle test user can perform any kind of DBA tasks, so that we don't need to repeatedly log in as a sys user. So let's go to the terminal, then SQL plus Oracle test, then password is test. So we are connected. So what we're gonna do next is we will talk about providing the different kind of the privilege related to table operation. So for that, please follow my next tutorial. Thank you.